Cypress, where you at? I know where you need to be, right here in Dunham Pointe. Why wait for your dream home to be built when I've got one ready and waiting for you right now? Let's go check it out. Check out this large chef's kitchen. The upper level kids domain is amazing here. We've got a large open game room, which feeds right into an amazing media room. And now for my favorite part of the house, the back patio. Imagine yourself entertaining your closest friends right here with full outdoor kitchen and plenty of space to entertain and enjoy the best company of your life. If you're looking to buy or sell in this market, call Justin. I'm here for you. My details are on the screen.